Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan inside Dipat's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Aguilar proudly bringing you Game 7 feels on a manic Monday afternoon right here on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. League SMC. Once again, Don Patrick D. Paragular bringing you the action right here inside DPA's laboratory on this track layout this month of October 2023. And we will now proceed with our ranking phase today, beginning with this race number 1. So it's a quarterfinals matchup, the first of the two quarterfinals matchups, rematch ng nakarang quarterfinals po natin agad-agad. Ang ating race number 1 at race number 2. And let's begin this ranking phase right away with this race number 1 between Phenom taking on Polaris. And in this battle of Super 2 chassis cars to start off our Manic Monday edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, it's going to be lane 1, lane 2 ba to? Tama, nung nakaraan 2-1, 2-1, ano? Tapos 1-2, 1-2, tama, 1-2, 1-2. So, ibig sabihin, ano na to? Lane 1, lane 2. So, on this race number, so yung odd numbered races sa ranking phase, lane 1 na starting lane ng higher seed, lane 2 naman for the even numbered races. So, in this race number 1, to kick off our Monday edition today, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Polaris starting at lane 2. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to brace ourselves for another set of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, beginning with this race number 1 of the ranking phase today. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Patay! Final lane changer. Oy, muntik pa. Final up. Off, nabutan. Hindi. Okay na, okay na. Umaga, isipin nyo. Nagkamali tayo. Nagkamali ng tansya. Yari. Polaris beginning sa Polaris starting this Manic Monday edition of DTL SMC with a victory over Venom. And ayan, so lalagay na natin doon. Sinasadya ko lang talaga na lakasan na lang ng boses dahil iniiwas natin yung maka-copyright claim yung ating so yung yung mga nasa background dyan, please bear with us. Dahil nagko-conduct na po tayo ng ating live Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing dito sa DTL SMC. Alright, next! Race number 2 na po tayo right away. So, bibilisan na po natin as much as we can. Let's just finish this as much as we can. So, in our second race of today, it's going to be MP taking on McLaren. So, rematch again from the previous quarterfinal. And in this matchup between the two Orange Army members, it's going to be MP this time starting at lane 2, McLaren starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. McLaren with a quick start. Oh, hit! I was about to say that McLaren had a quick start, but unfortunately, it was a hit. Ayun, nasigawan ng Batumi si McLaren na nasa lubong ni MP. Buti na lang hindi ganong nagbangga. So, unfortunately, it ended in a hit. And therefore, MP emerging as an outright winner over McLaren. Alright. So, pangalawang race tapos agad. Nasigawan ng Batumi si McLaren. Aray ko po. Batumi! Sabi nga na. Batumi! Derek! First hit of the of our Manic Monday edition today. Today pa lang po kasi medyo mga late afternoon pa lang tayo for now. Alright. Next, race number 3. Race number 3 right away. It's going to be the battle of white PDRs. Setsuna taking on Neon Sarah in our race number 3. Again, another battle of Super 2 chassis cars. So 5 of the 7 ngayon nakasali ay mga Super 2. So ang naiba lang si Merrick as busy and yung Carbon FM chassis car na Bracken Gigant na si McLaren. So in this race number 3, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Neon Sarah starting at lane 2. Alright mga ka-Dipat, it's purple versus green right here in this race number 3. Switch on. Himaw. Ready, set, bye. Grabe. Wow, grabe yan to. Patay. Last two. Final endanger, Neon Sarah. Final lap. KO. KO. Grabe naman yan. Grabe yung mamawan na yun mga kalipat. Wow. Neon Sarah winner. Alright. Alright. Nadali si Setsuna na isahan. Aray, kupo. Okay. Neon Sarah panalo. Alright. So yung mga lower seeded, ay hindi. Yung higher seed, ayun, alternate pala. Ayun. Sige. Alright, race number 4 right away. Merrick will start its title defense against Venom in our race number 4 today. And in this matchup, it's going to be a... Kita. Alright. Alright, in our race number 4 today, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2 and Venom starting at lane 1. Again, Merrick at lane 2, Venom at lane 1 as their respective starting lanes in this race. Number 4, switch on. Ganda laban to. Ready, set, bye. Takbukang lasin. Oh, ayun, sinalasin. Venom, takbuhang lasing ay nalap. Sarap. Venom winner. Alright. Nadali. Nadali di oras danag. Ano kaya yun? Sa wakas, nakapanalo rin si Venom. Alright. Race, ay, meron pa pala, hindi ko pa pala namarka niya. Okay, water break. Hydration break muna tayo. Hydration break muna tayo. Alright. Minom lang ng masarap na inumin. Of course, hindi po beer. Dahil hindi naman po uminom ng alak o beer ang inyo pong lingkod. Definitely. Masarap na juice. Masarap na orange juice. Ayan, to be more precise. Alright. Race number 5 na po tayo. Ano to? 4, 6, ay no, 3, 4. 3, 4 pala, sorry. 3 and 5. Okay. It's now time for MP and Polaris to square off in our race number 5 and another battle of Super 2 chassis cars again. So in this race number 5, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1 and Polaris starting at lane 2. So it's blue and green versus orange and silver right here in this race number 5. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Ayan ang laban. Ay! Okay, hit KO. Dito na nasalo. KO. Aray, kupo. Polaris winner. Alright. Jam. Maghihintay siya, Jam. Polaris panalo. Aha, ano na yung score? Hit ulit yun, pangalawa. Panalo si Polaris. MP talo. MP Polaris loss. Polaris 2-0 kagad. Yung nga lang hit. Won by hit, lost by hit si MP. Okay, next. Okay, may check lang tayo ng attendance. Attendance record. Okay. Alright. Next, race number 6. Alright. Hi sa wakas. Matatahimik na rin tayo. Durog. Ay sa wakas, matatahimik na rin. Alright, race number 6 na po tayo. It's going to be Setsuna taking on McLaren. Mamawan na labanan sa ating race number 6. Where Venom, actually Setsuna rather, starts at lane 2 and McLaren will start at lane 1. Yan, bakbakan to. Battle of all-time rivals between Setsuna and McLaren in our race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Sabi ko yung makawan eh. Naku po. Good. Okay. Hi. Rolling. Sayang. Draw. Okay. It ended in a draw. Sabi ko sa inyo, parehong mamaw eh. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, parehong mamaw yan eh. So, sino yung unang natumba? Setsuna. Yung si McLaren ang tatapat kay Polaris mamaya sa race number 9. Yung huling natumba this time. Okay. Draw game. Parehong umimbang yung dalawa eh. Na off balance. Parehong off balance. Parehong off balance. Next. Race numbers. Obscure. Race number 7 na po tayo. Race number 7 will feature Venom taking on Neon Sarah in our race number 7. And in this matchup, again, another set of Super 2 battle right here. I think kalahati ng 21 ranking pace races natin, baka at least 10, at least 10 karera sa 21 sa ranking pace ang Super 2 battle. So in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1. And Neon Sarah starting at lane 2. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Tapos sa Wednesday, 2-1, 2-1. Pero pagdating na Sabado, repeat. Sabado po ang ating final race day ng Oktoberfest edition ng DTL SMC. On October 28 dahil po yung October 30, botohan na po. Voting will proceed. We'll proceed with our voting for barangay and SK elections on October 30. Kaya yung October 30 schedule natin, advance na po yan on October 28. To close out our Oktoberfest edition of DPL SMC. Alright, going back to our Manic Monday edition today, it's now time for our race number 7. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Tama, rumbang, ding, 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 K.O. Venom, winner. Taray! Venom winner by hit. Again, di ko na nasalo. Dorok. Tapos na. Tapos na pala si ano dyan. Alright. Black ball pen muna pala. Venom against Neon Sara hit. Hit. Pang-anim na yan pala. No? Pangatlo na. Tapos Neon Sara against Venom hit again. Yan. Saka natin lalagay Windows. Neon Sara lost. Next, race number 8. Yan. Race number 8 na po tayo right away. It's going to be Merrick taking on MP this time around. So, semifinals rematch tayo sa ating race number 8. Wherein Merrick will start at lane 2 again. Oo. Merrick, dahil even number lane 2 ulit. Merrick starts at lane 2. MP at lane 1. Alright, race number 8. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay, sabi. Good. Last two. Final up. Pasugtog talaga si Ente eh. Take off. MP wins. Alright. MP wins. So, talo ulit si Mirik. Aray, kuko. Okay, 2-1 si MP. Recap tayo, 2 losses, Merrick. Sets na 1-2, 1 draw. Si MP, 2-1, win-loss. Ganon din si Venom. And then Polaris, 2-0, 1 loss, 1 draw. Si McLaurin, 1 win, 1 loss ni Yons. Alright. Inom tayo. Inom. Nakawalo na pala. Sarap. Race number 9. Alright, race number 9 na po tayo. It's going to be Polaris taking on McLaurin in our race number 9. And in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1, McLaurin at lane 2. Alright, race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, follow. Hindi na lang. Okay. Okay. Last lane your McLaurin. Final up. McLaurin finally winning it and coming back to its own winning ways. Alright. Bumabalik sa dati niyang winning ways itong si McLaurin after beating Polaris one more time. McLaurin, Polaris, 1. So si Mary Katsetsuna na lang yung hindi pa nakakapanalo. Polaris losing for the first time. Lahat may red mark na. Lahat ng cars natin may red mark. Race number 10 na po tayo. Battle of Dark Warriors again. Semi-finals rematch na to between Setsuna and Venom. And in this race number 10, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. It's blue versus purple right here in this race. Number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Pag nasundan, okay na. Okay. Winner. Okay, winner. Setsuna wins. Ethan? Ethan? Okay. Setsuna panalo. Nasundan, hindi yung considered hit yung nasundan. Pag nasundan lang, hindi yung considered hit. Pag nagkasalubong yun, hit yun. Pero yung ganyan na buntutan, hindi counted na hit. Pero still, outright winner. Outright winner pa rin. Venom with its second loss. Remaining assignments for Venom, MP, and McLaurin. So yung Orange Army na lang yung natitirang kalaban ni Venom. Setsuna 1. So si Merrick na lang yung hindi pa nakakapanalo. Okay? Race number 11. Alright. Race number 11 now is going to be MP taking on Neon Sarah. So it's orange versus green in our race number 11. Again, another battle of Super 2 cars. So upo ako ulit. Dahil depihit pa rin yung depihit kasi yung Super 2 eh. Pares na Super 2. So doblado. Doble amat. Alright, in our race number 11, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1 and Neon Sarah will start at lane 2. Alright, race number 11, switch on. So ready, set, bye. Parehong team labas yan. Lane changer, Neon Sarah. Final lap, Neon Sarah. Okay. Akala ko. Pati pala kumimbang. Akala ko, iimbang pa eh. Sayang yung swerte. Neon Sarah winner. Alright. Wow. Grabing ending naman yan. Loser. So, antayin niya dito, winner ng dalawa. Yung antay ni Neon Sarah ngayon, winner. Neon Sarah against MP. MP, dalawa na rin yung talo. Remaining assignments for MP is going to be Setsuna and Venom. Setsuna Venom, yung mga natitira niyang assignments. Neon Sarah, meron pang 3. Okay. Dalawa na pala kaming nanonood yung merong isang din nanonood. Thank you so much. Shout out to you. Alright. Race number 12 na po tayo right away in our DTL SMC ranking phase. Myrick taking on Polaris in our race number 12. And in this matchup, it's going to be Myrick this time starting at lane 1. Lane 2 ulit pala. Oh, even number pala ulit to. Myrick starting at lane 2 once more. And this time, Polaris will start at lane 1. Alright, race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Good. Last two, final lane changes, Myrick. Final lap. Ready? Okay, winner! Sa wakas, nakapanalo rin ng isa. Myrick, winner! Finally! Alright. Dirug. Buti na lang, nakapanalo rin ng isa pa. Tarag. Okay, so panalo si Polaris, losing for the second time. This time si Myrick bumawi. Naka 2 points din. Tarag. Myrick. Nakabawi. Alright, inom muna tayo ulit. 12 races done, so meron pa tayong siyam. May siyam pa tayong natitira. May siyam na natitira pa. Okay. Woo! Alright, race number 13 na tayo kagad. Yan. Race number 13 will feature Venom taking on McLaren. Yung Let's and Go villains magkalaban sa ating race number 13. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Alright, race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, ride. McLaren ahead. Start. Okay. Borumbang, borumbang, Dahon. Tumbaga nagalumbang, gurumbang, ding 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 ding. Na-fatality tuloy, di oras, dorog. Venom winner! Alright! Dagon! Darog! Darog! Nabangga pang di oras dagon. Doon pa sa bouncing street nagkabanggaan eh. Aray ko po. Aray ko po. Aray ko po. McLaren lost by hit. Si Venom panalo by hit. Last assignment for Venom, MP. Si MP yung last assignment ni Venom. Okay. Next. Speaking of MP, yon po ang ating susunod na laban sa ating race number 14. It's going to be Setsuna taking on MP in our race number 14. And in this race number 14, again, another battle of Super 2. Labanan ng dalawang team labas. Dalawang stock pro. Yan. So it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2. And MP will start at lane 1. Kasi nga po, second seeded si Setsuna. Tama. Si Setsuna, second seeded. Si MP, third seeded. 2 versus 3 ito. It's purple versus orange right here in this race number 14. Switch on. Ready, set, buy. Grabe naman yan. Ay, grabe naman yan. Grabe nilundag. Final winner. Pag natundang kasi MP, tapos na. Final lap. Okay, winner. Winner na, winner. Winner na yan. Nadikitan na siya dun sa underpass. Panalo na si Setsu na doon kasi nasundan siya dun sa dito sa area na to. Dito siya nasundan doon sa ilalim. Kasi yung last lane, final lap niya sa lane 2 kasi siya. Lane 2 kasi si Setsu na. Kaso nasundan niya si MP dyan sa bago pa siya kumimbang. So, therefore, it's going to be Setsuna emerging as the winner of this race number 14. Okay. So, sino yung last assignment ni Setsuna? Meron pang Polaris. Tama, dito na yan. MP Venom. Tama, yan na yun. Yan na yun, tama. Si Setsuna, ano yun? May dalawang assignment pa, si Polaris at Merrick. Okay. Sige. Sige. Setsuna won. Nabuntutan yon pero walang walang force out yun. So, bago pa umimbang kasi si Setsuna, nauna na yung nabuntutan si MP. Kaya therefore, Setsuna emerging as a winner. Definitely no match si MP. Aray. Malas. So last assignment for MP will be against Venom. Last assignment for Setsuna will be against Polaris and Merrick. So yun, tama. Ito na yung next assignment. Si McLaurin naman, Merrick, Neon, Sarah ang next assignment. So ano to? Ay nalagay doon, winner, loser. So ibig sabihin yung loser ng race 15, yun ang kalaban ni McLaurin next. Okay. Race number 15 na tayo, Battle of Lingayen Survivors. Yung mga pinang-karera ko sa Lingayen, Pangasinan nung December 17, 2022 at umabot sa 3rd heat. Sila ang magkalaban sa ating race number 15, Merrick taking on Neon Sarah. And in this matchup of Lingayen Survivors, in this duel of Lingayen Survivors, it's going to be Merrick this time starting at lane 1 pala. Race 15 ito. So Merrick will start at lane 1 and Neon Sarah will start at lane 2. Alright, the Battle of Lingayen Survivors in our race number 15. Switch on. Alima. Grabe. Ready, set, bye. Neon Sarah ahead. Emma. Blocking. Sumabit. Sumabit parehas. Tabla. Tabla ang laban nila. Tabla. Sa unang natumba. Yun si Neon Sarah yung unang natumba. Therefore, si Sarah ang lalaban kay Neon Sarah lalaban kay McLaurin. Sa race number 18 natin. Okay. So it's a draw. Draw. Neon Sarah and Merrick, draw. Okay. Maganda na record ni Merrick. So yung hindi pa nagtatabla ngayon, sina Venom, Polaris, tsaka si MB, wala pang tabla. Let's see dito sa ating race number 16. Alright. It's going to be Setsuna. The rampaging Setsuna taking on Polaris in our race number 16. And in this matchup of the matchup between SNK and Marvel, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2. And Polaris will start at lane 1. Alright. Teka. Tama ba yun? Setsuna Polaris? Tama. Okay, sige. Alright, race number 16. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Hi, Dima. Grabe naman yan. Lapwing gainer, set ko na. Final up. Grabe yung look ko. Ayun, patay. Naisan pa. Isan. Naman, Isan. Naisan pa. Buti na lang. Side show lang. Na-side show pa. Sayang. Ang ganda na sana. Polaris winner. Alright. Grabe to. Grabe to. Okay. Panalo si Polaris. Polaris Setsuna won. 3-2. Last assignment ni Polaris, Neon Sara. Tapos last assignment ni Setsuna, Mary. Yan. Okay, malinaw na yun ha. Mas malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw, sabay ganun. Mas malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw eh, sabay ganun. Okay. So, next, inom. Sarap. Uminom muna tayo ng orange juice. Masarap na orange juice. Alright. Race number 17 na tayo. It's going to be Venom taking on MP. Final assignment for MP, I think. Both actually, final assignment na ni na MP at ni Venom. Itong laban natin sa ating race number 17. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 this time. Dahil 4th lang si Venom eh. 4th seeded yan si Venom, si MP 3rd seeded. Therefore, MP starts at lane 1, Venom starts at lane 2 in this race number 17. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Final up. Ay, paano na ako ito? Okay? Takbo ang lasing ngayon si Venom. So, both Venom and MP will close out their their respective campaign in the ranking pace. And unfortunately for Venom, it was a tough loss. And on the other hand, MP emerging the winner to close out its ranking pace campaign today. Alright. So, Venom lost 3-3. Split para kay Venom. So, 6 points. 6 points si Venom. MP, pareho sila. Pareho silang 3 points. 6 points. Ay, ano na yan. Win over the other na yan. Mati. Pareho 6 points. Win over the other yan. Doon sa duelo nila. Doon sa duelo nila, yung win over the other lang titingnan dyan. Okay. Race number 18 na tayo. And it's going to be McLaren taking on Neon Sara. And in this race number 18, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2. Neon Sara this time starting at lane 1. Alright. Race number 18. Switch on. Ready, set, back. Ako, pangalawan to. Okay, reset and release. Okay, go game. Nabasuka. Magalo, gumang. Draw game. Draw. 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 Tama, McLaren Mirit last. Yon, nice. Tabla si McLaurin at Neon Sara. Minalas, parehas. Okay. Final assignment for McLaurin against Merrick. Neon Sara against Polaris. Okay. Sakto. Alright, finals rematch na tayo finally in our race number 19. And it's going to be Merrick taking on Setsuna in their race number 19. So that's the finals rematch from the previous championship race nung nakaraang Wednesday. And in this race number 19, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. Alright, rematch from our previous championship race in our race number 19. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Setsuna ahead. Merrick trying to catch up. Last defender Setsuna. On to the final lap. Ouch! Swerte pa! Naswerte yan pa! Aray! Sumobra sa lundag dun sa bouncing street na maliit. Doon sa maliit na bouncing street. Doon pa nadali. Malas! Merrick remaining victorious over Setsuna. Malas, di pa rin nakabawi si Setsuna. Durug. So Setsuna unfortunately finishes in an unfortunate manner. A loss, a narrow defeat at the expense of Merrick. Sinuwerte pa si Merrick. Aray, pupo. Ganon din yung nangyari nung championship race nila eh. Ganyan din. Ganyan din. Merrick, bumabawi. Si Merrick ngayon bumabawi. So, total score for Setsuna will be, how many? 5. 5 points ang final score ni Setsuna at the end of our on the end of its ranking phase campaign rather. All right, down to our last 2 races in our ranking phase today. And in our penultimate race of the ranking phase, it's going to be Polaris taking on Neon Sara in our race number 20. And in this final battle of Super 2 chassis cars, in our ranking phase at least, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2. And Neon Sara this again, starting at lane 1. Kasi kanina sa lane 1 din nag-start si Neon Sara. This time yun ulit. Alright, the penultimate race of our ranking phase this Monday edition. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Boom! Okay. Drop. Draw game. Tumirik eh. Biglang tumirik. Draw na yan. Kung sakaling tumirik, may umembang tapos tumirik, automatic draw. Draw yan. Draw yan. Draw game. So both Polaris and Neon Sara will end it in a draw. So ang hindi pala nag-draw ngayon, si MP at Venom lang ang hindi nag-draw. Walang draw. Walang draw, tabla, wala. Split, ang matindi nun, pareho pang panalo-talo. Kaya na doon sa last battle nila, si MP ang panalo. Kaya siya may tiebreaker. So, 2 draws for McLaurin, 2 draws Neon Sara, also Polaris has 1. Okay? Final score for Polaris will be 7 points. And Neon Sara will finish also 7 points. Pero, kung number of wins ang pag-uusapan, mas marami si Polaris. Kahit tabla sila against each other, pero kung sino yung mas maraming panalo, number of wins na lang yan. Eh, si Polaris, isa lang tabla eh. Si Neon Sara, 3. Therefore, tapos mas maraming panalo si Polaris eh, 3. Neon Sara, 2. Yun. Okay, down to our final race of our ranking phase today. It's going to be Merrick taking on McLaren. And in this 21st race of our ranking phase today, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Saktong-sakto sa mga kulay nila. Alright. The 21st and final race of the ranking phase, this Monday edition. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Here ahead. Grabe, biglang nagwala. Wow! Oh, sabi. Last lane changer, McLaren. Final lap. No, last lang. McLaren closing out the ranking phase today with a victory over Merrick. Alright, so that goes so that will close out our ranking phase today. Merrick lost to McLaren. And then McLaren won. Dalawa. Ba, may 2 wins, 3 wins. Ay, grabe, magandang laban to. Alright, so there you have it. Na-determine na po natin yung ranking phase. Ano yung final ranking at the end of this ranking phase. As we take a look at the results right here, eto na yon. So, both Setsuna and Merrick will finish 2 wins, 3 losses, and 1 draw. And Empey and Venom both with identical 3 wins, 3 losses win-loss record. Polaris in solo with 3 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw. McLaren splitting its 6 with a couple of wins, a couple of losses, a couple of wins, a couple of draws. And then 2 wins, 3 draws pala. 2 wins, 1 loss, 3 draws si Neon Sara. Nakalimutan ko. Yon. Yan nga po yung ating yung base. Alright. So as we take a look at this crosshatch, ayan po yung mga distribution of points. Yan po yun. Ito yung mga points nila. So Polaris and Neon Sara, yung mga naipakita ko kanina, yan po yung mga outright semifinalists po natin with Polaris taking the number 1 seed dahil yung maraming panalo. Tita nyo po, 3 ang panalo ni Polaris, samantala si Neon Sara meron 2 lang. Although pareho silang 7 points. Pero mas marami ang panalo ni Polaris kumpara kay Neon Sara. Therefore, ayan nga po yon, top seed si Polaris, second seed si Neon Sara. Pero ang good news lang dito for both these cars, they will be advancing to the semifinals outright. Alright, 3-way tie between Empey, Venom, and McLaren. It boil down to this. Let's just, doon tayo sa, pag 3-way tie na ganon, yung win-loss record nila. So, ito po yung nangyari. Venom against McLaren. Parehong tinalo ni Empey sina Venom at McLaren. Therefore, Empey will garner na 3rd seed. And then Venom, so parehong 0-1 sina Venom at McLaren. It all boiled down to the win over the other. And the result is like this. Venom was able to beat McLaren. Therefore, Venom will be finishing number 4 at the 4th seed. McLaren at 5th. And at the final slot, ito yung nangyari. Ito yung pinaka-crucial. Parehong 2 wins, 1 draw, 3 losses sina Setsuna at Merrick. But due to the win over the other rule, yung kanilang rematch nung race number 19, yan po yung nangyari. Panalo si Merrick kontra kay Setsuna. Therefore, si Merrick ang huling papasok sa ating KO stage. And unfortunately for Setsuna will be eliminated for today's Manic Monday edition of the Patsamia League Stock Motor Conference. Yun nga lang. So, siya papalitan ni Metalder on Wednesday. Sa Miyerkules, papalitan siya ni Metalder. Yun nga lang. Isang team labas ang hindi makakasama sa playoffs. Yun nga lang. Maagang nasibak dahil lang dun sa win over the other rule. Kaya nga, every race is crucial dahil yung placingan yung makarating ng quarter, pero kailangan makarating ka rin ng semis at maka-final ka. Kaya importante rin maka-finals ka rito, if ever. Alright, so placing na natin. 6, So si Neon Sara ang aabangan ni ano. So si Neon Sara aabangan niya kung rematch sila ng Lingay, kapwa niya Lingay Survivor na si Mirik o iba yung kalaban. 3-6 MP Mirik. MP Mirik ang 3 versus 6. Alright. So semifinals rematch pa lang mangyayari sa isang quarterfinal. Alright. Tapos Polaris outright, no? Outright si Polaris. So pagkakataon, ito na yung biggest opportunity ni the most pivotal opportunity for Polaris to score at least 1 point on aggregate. Or mas maganda, mag-final siya. Kailangan makapag-final si Polaris para sigurado talaga may points na yun, kahit 2 points man lang. So McLaurin Venom yung isa, 4-5. Yun. Okay. Ayos na. Alright, so we'll now move on with our knockout stage for tonight's Manic Monday edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And let's begin this right away with our quarterfinals number 1 between the 4th seeded Venom and the 5th seeded McLaurin. So labanan to ng mga Let's and Go villains sa ating quarterfinals number 1. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, McLaurin at lane 1. Kasi carry over po yun from the last ranking pace race. Yung pong alternate starting lane. So yung huli lane 1, di ba? So this time, lane 2 yung starting lane ng higher seed. Ganun po mangyari dyan. So again, Venom will start at lane 2, McLaurin at lane 1. Yan. Alright. Dragon's Breath activate. Oops! Ano yung nalaglag na yun? Patay! Alright. Alright. So, all set na tayo? All set. Hindi ko masyadong yung down plus. Alright. So, once again, you're still watching DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference on Manic Monday evening of October 23, 2023. 10/23/23 ang date po natin ngayong gabi. And we are now in our KO or knockout stage that will be started right away with this quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, right. Patay! Tumili! Aray! Anyari! Napatayan! Napatayan si McLaurin. Ano kaya yun? Si Mabit. Ano kaya yun? Final lane danger. Venom! Na hento. Final lap. Malas! Minalas na naman si McLaurin. Malas! And unfortunately for McLaurin, two straight races, 2 consecutive race days, McLaurin will be booted out early on in this quarterfinal duel, and subsequently it's going to be Venom returning to the semifinals round to face Polaris. So repeat of race number 1 ang mangyayari sa ating semifinals number 1. Malas. Napatayan. Ano kaya yun? Dali. Patay. Peteng. Teka, activate ko lang muna yung activate ko lang muna ito. Okay? Ay, dito pala dapat. Sorry. Teka muna. Ano natin? Ay, hindi. Okay pa siguro? Sige. Sige. Alright. Cha-charge ko sana sa power bank. Kaya lang baka magloko bigla yung natin, light natin. So, ganito na lang. Anyway, malakas pa naman. Alright, quarterfinals number 2 na po tayo. It's going to be MP, the 3rd seeded car, taking on the 6th seeded Merrick. So nanganganib maging nanganganib ang championship ni Merrick dahil sa quarterfinal duel na to, dahil nalagay siya sa number 6. Kinailangan pa ng tiebreaker ni MP at saka nila ni Setsuna to determine the last KO stage slot. So in this quarterfinals number 2 between MP and Merrick, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, MP at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. 2-1, 2-1, 2-1, 2-1 mangyayari yan sa natin. Okay, so tingnan natin sa race number 9 o dun sa last na natin sa October 28, malalaman natin kung talaga yan, kung yung pa rin 2-1, 2-1 o 1-2, 1-2 mangyayari. Okay. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time to brace ourselves for our quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Inunahan na. Nakaabol pa. Final lane changer merge. Final lap, let's see. Oh, what an upset. Wow, what an upset. What an upset mga kadipat. Grabe. Nagkakanda imbang-imbang na si Merrick, but somehow Merrick managed to balance itself and continue to race on until that victory over MP. And unfortunately for MP will be booted out for this race day due to that booted out of contention for some aggregate points, for at least one aggregate point or two, and it's going to be Merrick. So it's a battle of Lingayen survivors po mga kadipat ang mangyayari sa ating semifinals number 2 tonight. Wow, grabe to. Merrick, ayaw pa rin pakawat. Gusto talaga maka-score. Wow. Wow. Wow, grabe. Grabe itong Dipats Tamiya League natin, mga kadipat. Puro mga blue and green ang maglalaban ngayon sa ating semi-finals round. At ang Orange Army, sibak ng maaga. Aray. Dalawang team labas, sibak agad. So, dalawang team labas, dalawang team bahay ang mangyayari. So, team labas versus team bahay mangyayari dito sa ating semifinals matches dito sa Dipats Tamiya League SMC ngayong Lunes. Alright. So, moving on with our knockout stage tonight. It's going to be the semifinals round between Polaris and Venom 1 versus 4, a traditional matchup in our semi-final duel, first semi-final duel, first of the two semi-final duels, the other being 2 versus 6. 2 versus 6. Grabe si Merrick, matibay. Talagang matibay. Talagang gustong ikasa yung labanan ng Lingayen survivors. Grabe to. Grabe to mga kadipat. Wow. Stock motor lang po yan, partida ha. Hindi pa po gumagamit ng tune motor dito sa lagay na yan ha. Wow. Alright, so in our semifinals number 1, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2 and Venom will start at lane 1. Alright. Polaris din. Let's see if Polaris can have the biggest opportunity to score at least one aggregate point or two in this in its return to the semifinals round. Alright mga kadipat, we are now in our semifinals round of the KO stage that will be started right away with this first semifinals matchup. So, reach on. Repeat of race 1 pala ito. Ready, set, back. gang. Iko na nasa lodo. Nahinto si Polaris. Aray ko po. Tarag. Malas, na-upset pa. Aray. And it's going to be Venom emerging victorious over Polaris. So another upset victory coming into this championship race. So may pagkakataon uli si Venom na maka-score ng 12 o 13 at the end of 12 or 13 points total at the end of this race day. Alright. At the end of this race day tonight, either 12 or 13 points ang magiging total aggregate score ni Venom. Venom is leading. Venom is leading the aggregate scoring with 10 points. Siya pa lang yung nakaka-double figures, meaning with at least 10 points. No, talagang 10. Pero pwede maging 12 or 13 yan sa championship race. And in the meantime, it's now time for the rematch of the Lingayen Pangasinan Survivors, Neon Sara at number 2 taking on Merrick at number 6. And in this semifinals number 2, a rematch of the rematch of the Lingayen Survivors. Yan, mga survivor ko sa Lingayen to eh. Dahil kaya ako sinabing Lingayen Survivor dahil nakapag third heat. Naabot ko to ng third round. Itong sina Neon Sara at si Merrick. Actually, nauna si Merrick, 1 entry lang. Si Neon Sara, kailangan pang mag-re-entry para makapasok sa third heat. Akala mo, 3 na pasok ko, tapos third heat, 2. Oh my God. Grabe. Gandang laban sana. Magandang laban sana kung napaabot ko ng 4th. No? Sa stock motor kasi, yung napaabot ko lang ng 4th heat, si Scarlett. Si Scarlett na napaabot ko ng 4th heat, Black NG. Pro Stock FM nga lang. Sa non-FM 3rd heat yung napaabot ko. Yun na nga, si Merrick, Neon Sara, si Clarkson. Yun. Sila lang nakaabot sa tsaka si Archie Ramerto. O yung MA, yung last araw ko na MA yun eh. Alright. And the rest is history. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time to brace ourselves for our semifinals number 2, the rematch of the Lingayen Survivors. Switch on. Lima. So, ang starting lane 1 for Merrick, lane 2 for Neon Sara. Ay, hindi, Neon Sara lane 1, Merrick lane 2 pala. Alright, ready, set, bye. Merrick ahead. Last wing changer, Merrick. Final lap. Oh my goodness, what a close encounter. Holy hope. Wow, grabe yun. Grabe yung semifinals number 2 po natin mga kadipat. Walang gustong magpaiwan. Talagang walang gustong magpaiwan between those Lingayen Survivors. Grabe to. Grabe to. Again, another battle of Team Labas versus Team Bahay mangyayari sa ating race for third at championship race. And still, Merrick with another opportunity to be crowned back-to-back champion, with another opportunity to increase its aggregate scoring total to either 7 or 8. Dahil currently has 5. Currently si Merrick merong 5. Pwedeng maging 7 o 8 yan. Conforme ngayon sa championship race nila ni Venom. But still, Venom will gain the upper hand as the top scorer in our aggregate scoring this month. Grabe to. Grabe, in-upset mga kadipat. Na-upset po yung mga outright semifinalists po natin sa semifinal. Yung mga lower seeded cars pa papasok ng championship. Wow! Wow. That's wow mga kadipat. Wow. Alright. In the meantime, it's now time for our race for third. It's going to be Polaris for Team Bahay going up against Neon Sara for Team Labas. It's Team Home versus Team Road in both race for third and championship race tonight. And in this matchup pala, It's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. Yun din, same din. Kasi si Neon Sara higher seeded para kay Mary. Mary kasi number 6. So mamaya 4 versus 6 mangyayari. Si Venom ang higher seed, lane 1 siya. Tapos si Mary lane 2 ulit. Lane 2 na naman. Lane 2 na naman siya. Pero dito, Neon Sara, again, lane 1. Dahil siya yung lower seed kumpara kay Polaris. Polaris kasi top seed, kaya sa lane 2 siya. Ito rin, Dragon's Breath, activate! Talagang seryoso. Seryoso talagang now or never na eh. Ganun talaga. Ganun din kasi kami sa pag mga actual tournaments, mga kadipat, ganun kami talaga. Laro. Alam mo naman yung mga batang 90s, syempre. Alright, mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third Dismanic Monday edition right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. First to make 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, 5. Agoy! Good. Lap 2. Re-race. Re-race pa mo or ganun pa rin, race to 6 pa rin. Re-race pa mo or race to 6 pa rin yan. Race to 6 all the way yan eh. From start to finish, race to 6. Basta stock motor lang. Pero pag ano na, pero pag tuned na, race to 10. Yung race for time, tsaka championship, race to 10. Pag may tuned motor na involved. Madali pa rin. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Dragon Split talaga. Kasi may mga natitira pang oil sa loob eh. Yung langis, may langis kasi sa loob ng motor eh. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, bubugahan ko. Usually ganun nga yung diskarte namin mga racer. Pero na ano ko na eh. Parang I'm finding, somehow, finding ways to. Pero syempre, it doesn't guarantee you a sure win. Of course, nandiyan pa rin yung luck. Nandiyan pa rin yung swerte. Anyway, in the first place, sa Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive, there's simply no genius here. It's just pure luck. Swerte-swerte lang. Makuha mo po, Jom Chamba. Kaya lang. Alright. First of 2 restarts right now in our race for third. Ready, set, 5. Gandang laban ah. Aba. Aba. Woohoo! Final racing girl, Polaris, Neon Sara ahead. On to the final lap, let's see. Holy smoke! Oh! That was a close call mga kalipat. Wow! Grabe! Grabe, split second lang yung late. Split second late lang si Polaris. Grabe! Sayang yun. What a wasted opportunity right there by Polaris. Talagang natalo lang by a hair. Ito po mga kalipat, papakita ko sa inyo. Holy smoke, naging diferensya. Una ko nasalo yung lane 1. So therefore, ito yung gap lang nila Ganyan lang yung gap nung tapos. Na ganyan Nauna ko nasalo dito sa kanan. Ganun lang. Ang naging split second na ganito lang. Holy smoke. My gosh! Grabe! Pati yung announcer, sobrang gulat, gano'n rin nangyari. Wow, what a way to finish that race for third. Unfortunate lang for Polaris, what a wasted opportunity to gain its first aggregate point this month. Grabe, lumalapit na sa katotohanan sana. And it's going to be Neon Sara winning winning by a hairline against Polaris to get its one aggregate point or to get additional one aggregate point for this month of October 2023. Grabe po mga kadipat. Wow. So total ni Neon Sara, I think mga pangalawa. I think pangalawa pa lang niya, no? Grabe to. Grabe to mga kadipat. Wow. Hanapin ko lang yung aggregate scoring. Ayun. O tama, 2 points pa lang. Tama, 2 points. Grabe. Grabe po. May sabing hindi ganun ka-unpredictable ang stock motor conference. Ayan ang ebidensya. Wow. Grabe to. What more pa kaya para sa ating championship race to culminate our festivities in our Manic Monday tonight here on the Patsami League's Stock Motor Conference? It's going to be a Venom rather. Venom, the 4th seeded car at the end of the ranking phase, taking on number 6 Merrick. So yung mga lower seeded cars, sila pa ang magkalaban sa ating championship race, and Merrick with an opportunity to add 2 or 3 points on its aggregate score, but still Venom will take the lead, will still retain the lead, cementing its hold of the top spot for Venom on our aggregate scoring this month. Alright. So in this championship race, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. I repeat, Venom at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. Ganyan yung mangyayari dyan. 2-1, 2-1 pala, no? Tama, lane 1 pala si Venom. Baliktad pala si... Sorry. Lane 1 Venom, lane 2 Merrick pala. Kasi higher seeded si Venom, number 4 yun eh. Si Merrick kasi number 6. So therefore, lane 1 si Venom. 2-1, 2-1 nga pala. Kanina nga pala, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Di carry over lang. Sa KO stage kasi, carry over lang. Yun. Alright. Kaya medyo matagal kasi kailangan mag-adjust na. Takbuhang lasing ang magiging labanan natin sa championship race. Grabe. Pareho kasing lasing yung takbo ng dalawa eh. Talagang easy lang. Parang stuck lang ha. Sabi siguro sa Lingayen na nakita si Neon Sara tumakbo, di ba? Naalala ko, recorded yun eh. Anong laro ko sa Lingayen. Parang stuck lang ha. Kaya takbo ni Neon Sara, grabe. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to culminate our festivities here on our Manic Monday edition of the Patsami League Stock Motor Conference with this championship race, which is first to 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Panalo na. At least naka-final pa rin. Kahit second lang. Lap 2, Venom. Kahit takbo ang lapin. Final lap. Karahate. Sabi sa inyo, takbo ang lasing eh. What a way to close out our Manic Monday edition of the Patsami League Stock Motor Conference, with Venom returning to the championship throne and dethroning the erstwhile champion Merrick. But still, great job pa rin for Merrick returning to the championship race. Nagkataon lang talaga na veterano ang kalaban din. Sa bagay, kasabayan lang naman ni Merrick si Venom. Pero still, okay pa rin ha. Yung mga Lingayen Survivors, second and third. Grabe to. So, at our final results for this Manic Monday edition of the Pats Tamiya League SMC, we now have here our podium finishers, the podium triumvirate right here at this podium panel. Let's just say podium panel with Venom emerging victorious once more and adding another set of championship points of trio. Another trio on its aggregate score, making it total of 13, with further cementing its hold on the top spot. Yan, with a total of 13. On the other hand, still a great job for Merrick with a back-to-back finals appearance. Back-to-back finals appearances, that is. And it's going to be Merrick finishing second from championship last Wednesday. This Monday, Merrick will finish second. Okay, so yun yung ano niya. Yun yung ano na to, plus 2 on aggregate. So total na niya 7 points. So tinabla na si Setsuna. Tinabla niya ngayon si Setsuna. Pero ang maganda lang nun, number 2 na sila, tied for number 2 na sina Merrick at Setsuna. Tapos sina McLaurin at Metalder tied for 4th with 6 points apiece. And then on the other hand, it's going to be Neon Sara placing 3rd, finishing 3rd place today. And Neon Sara will have 2 points on solo 6th. So si Polaris na lang hindi pa nakapoint, pero crucial yon yung race for 3rd na yon. Kinailangan pa talagang talunin si Polaris. At saka si Polaris matagal nang naghahanap ng aggregate point. Grabe, lumalapit na sa katotohanan sana. Sayang. Alright. So there you have it mga kadipat. Ang ating aggregate scoring update. Venom with 13. Setsuna and Merrick tied with 7 points apiece, tied at 2nd place. McLaurin and Metalder relegated down to 4th place with identical 6 points total. Neon Sara at number 6, Solo with 2, MP with 1, and Polaris still searching for its first aggregate point in the history of the Pats Tamiya League. So there you have it mga kadipat. These are our podium finishers to close out our Manic Monday edition today of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this October 23, 2023. And once again, this has been your host here and also racer, host slash racer slash producer slash director all in one package right here on this Facebook live streaming on the Pats Tamiya League Facebook page. Don Patrick D. Paragular signing up for now. And once again, thank you so much for your untiring support. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga tumutok. And if ever there will be some viewers, in a few, maybe in a few more days, in the future, of course, yan. So as always mga kadipat, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, and get yourselves protected at all costs and at all times from all negativities and toxicities around you. And always avoid drugs and all other negative vices as always. Yan. Muli po, ito po inyong punong lingkod Don Patrick D. Paragular, leaving you a pleasant Monday evening. Magandang Lunes, malinis ng gabi po sa lahat. And to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation. And God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Especially yung mga naiipit sa mga digmaan. Kaliwat kanang digmaan na nangyayari ngayon sa ibang panig ng daigdig. Sana po ay mailigtas na po, maiuwi na po sila ng ligtas as soon as possible. So that they can be with their respective families once again. For good. Alright. So once again mga kadipat, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. Tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo. Taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this has been another presentation of another exciting edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. For now mga kadipat, see you po sa huling dalawang karerang natitira ngayong October 2023 dito sa DTL SMC. And muli po, ito po si Don Patrick D. Paragular saying, Shukran, Tusen Tak.